What is up and what is poppin', YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications whenever I post. And if you're new here, my name is Renee and this is the Grace Gang. So today's video is going to be a TJ Maxx haul, a home decor TJ Maxx haul. It's what you can get for under $100. As you guys all know, if you haven't already checked out my most recent video, I did move to a different city, so gotta decorate. See the ambiance, you see the lights. Yeah, we getting it popping. So without further ado, let's just get into the video because we all know I like to ram. All right, so the first thing we got from TJ Maxx was this Living Space collection. It is a oil and vinegar pourers. We needed these because gotta have them. Don't want to have ugly oil bottles on your kitchen counter. The next thing we got is this sponge holder and a brush holder because I hate when sponges are just sitting around on the counter. It makes everything wet and soggy and then it gets a nasty smell. Won't got time for that. So then the next thing we got is a scrub brush. I don't really care much for these, but my boyfriend likes them, so we got one of these. And it's just to scrub the dishes with. Hang. So the number one thing I really wanted to get was a rice cooker. We got this rice cooker. This is from Dash. This was $16.99. It's a mini rice cooker, so it's good to cook with 2 people. And you can cook rice, veggies, oatmeal, soups, and stews. So we got this cute little rice cooker. Of course, we got it in black because I love the color black. And quite frankly, I'm just trying to keep the home decor color black and white in the bathroom and the kitchen at least, because why not? Alright, so next up I got these cute little bathroom sets. This is a toothbrush holder. This one was $6.99, and then this is a soap dispenser. This was $9.99. I love this matte black. Like, you see how nice it is. I love something about matte black, something about black aesthetics is just my thing. Alright, so the next items on the list are going to be smell goods. As you know, I love candles, so I got this candle here. This is from Sand & Paul's. I always get candles from Sand & Paul's. This is fresh wood. This candle was $7.99. I love the way this candle smells. But this is what it looks like. Alright, next candle is pumpkin bourbon. This is a very fall candle. It has a wooden wick instead of the regular ones. I think wooden wick candles actually burn better than regular wick candles. That's just my own personal opinion. This candle was $14.99. And last but not least, I got this vanilla pumpkin wax burner. I love everything smell good. This shit smells amazing. This house is about to smell real good in like 2 seconds. Alright, the last thing is this Threshold bath mat. It comes with a set of 2, one by the tub, one by the sink. I can't find the price tag, so I can't tell you how much it was, but I think it was like $20. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, that's the end of this haul. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell. And you already know what I'm gonna say. Until next time, we out. Peace.